Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of deficiency diseases. Do you know what are meant by deficiency diseases, children? Daily we eat food, right? We eat the food which contains some certain nutrients, right? I already explained about the four major nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. If we do not eat food which have required amount of nutrients in our body, we may suffer with certain diseases. Diseases which are caused by the lack of nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Here children, daily whatever the nutrients we have in our food, we should have all the four nutrients and we should have regularly proper diet. If not, we may get deficiency diseases, children. If the person does not have enough proteins in his or her body for a longer period of time, then he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and diarrhea. Yeah children, if the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a longer period of a time, then the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean, thin and so weak. Then he or she may not be able to move properly. Yeah children, if we does not eat carbohydrate and protein food properly for particular period of a time, then we are not supposed to have energy to do any kind of work. Here let me now discuss about the deficiency diseases caused by vitamins and minerals. Here children, if we do not eat eggs and carrots or we do not drink milk which belongs to vitamin A food items, the person will not be able to see in a dim light and the person is supposed to get night blindness, children. If a person does not eat unpolished rice or brown rice which belongs to vitamin B, then the person will be having weak muscles, very less energy to do work. Then the deficiency disease is beriberi. If the person does not eat lemons, oranges, guavas, amla which belongs to vitamin C, then the symptoms will be bleeding gums. And the deficiency disease is scurvy. If a person does not eat fish, eggs or does not drink milk which belongs to vitamin D, then the symptoms will be bones become soft and they bend even, and the deficiency disease is rickets. Here children, let me have a look of minerals now. If a person does not eat iodinized salt and seafood which belongs to iodine, and the symptoms will be swollen neck and the deficiency disease is goiter. If a person does not eat bananas, apples, brinjal which belongs to iron, then the person will be having the symptoms of weakness and the deficiency disease is anemia. If a person does not eat eggs and does not drink milk which belongs to calcium, then the symptoms will be weak bones and tooth decay, and the deficiency disease is bone and tooth decay. Yeah children, if you are not supposed to eat vitamin A, B, C, D and minerals like iodine, iron and calcium, then you are going to get the deficiency diseases like night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, anemia and tooth decay and bone weakness also. That means you should eat all vitamins and minerals food items daily, and also you should eat the proteins, carbohydrates and also fats which mainly gives you a lots of energy to your body. Means you should eat energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods, and also you should have the roughage in your food items and also water. Mainly you should have the balanced diet which contains all the nutrients in right amounts, children. If not, you may suffer with lots of deficiency diseases. Yeah children, to be healthy you should daily have at least 8 glasses of water per day, and also you should drink milk, and also daily you should have at least one fruit. If not, definitely you will be very weak, so that you may suffer a lot with all the deficiency diseases. I hope that everyone understood the topic of deficiency diseases, children. Let me, from today, we will follow the regular balanced diet. I hope that everyone follow the same pattern of diet which contains all the healthy foods. Thank you. Have a nice day.